Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days worth of Poshmark sales. Let's see what I made. Okay, let's get started. My first item is a Izod light blue 52 regular suit coat. This I was given, actually came right out of our closet. $12.60 are my earnings, and my earnings are everything after fees, after shipping. Okay, so this is actually what's being paid to me. So $12.60. Everything that I'm going to tell you is going to be actual money after what I've bought it for. So once I get to one that I've paid money for, I'll deduct whatever I paid money for. The next set that we have is a bundle. A baby sheer lingerie set, a tankini top, and a full bathing suit. So I paid $2 for each one of those items. So $246 is my total investment. $24 is what I earned on that. So 24 minus the 6 would be $18 are my in-pocket profits on that particular bundle. I love bundles for that very reason. The next item I have is another bathing suit, XXL. I paid $2 for it. $11.05 is what I earned after fees. And so $9.05 are my in-pocket profits on those. Then, of course, we have next these kids' Skechers sneakers. The box came out of a liquidation box, and so the box is beat up, but the sneakers are brand new, as you can see. Totally brand new. And so those were $4 out of a liquidation box. My earnings were $15.20, so $11.20 after I take off what I paid for the item. The next item I have is a classic Massimo suit right here, this suit coat here. This one also came directly out of my closet, so my earnings were $6.05, so I get to keep all of it because I didn't pay any money for that one. As far as reselling, that just came right out of my closet. My next item I've got is a really cute denim top with some roses on it. This actually came from the Goodwill outlet, which is an awesome place to hunt for clothes if you have never been there. So 50 cents is what I paid for that particular shirt. $5.05 is what I earned. So $4.55 are my in-pocket profits. If I can write a number 5. There we go. $4.55. My next item that I have are a pair of silver mules. I've sold a lot of these. These are super popular. They were $2 out of a liquidation box. I earned $2.25, so that one wasn't too hot. 25 cents was my in-pocket earnings there. Then my next item is a really cute blue crisscross back shirt. That came out of a liquidation box for $1. $3.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 are my in-pocket profits for that. Then, of course, I have these fun fuzzy green slippers, crisscross slide-on slipper sandals. Those were $2 out of a liquidation box, so my earnings were $2.25. So again, another quarter. But I made more money. That was a neat one because I had multiple different sizes of these. And so some of them I made, for $5 on, and then other ones I made like a quarter. And so it all evened out to be profitable for me in the long run. So the next item I have is a really huge bundle, which I did really well on. And so it's got these cat and jack little ears plus a bow. And then they also bought this clutch purse, kind of a suede looking clutch purse. And then I've got a lot of these genuine olive wood mother of pearl Bethlehem necklaces, and they actually bought 7 of them. And so these were 65 cents a piece, so 7 times 65 cents, $4.55, plus then the ears, both the ears and the bow was another $1, and then the clutch cost me $1. And so if I add all of that together, it equals out to about $6.55 for this whole bundle. I earned $30.20 minus the $6.55 will be $23.65. $23.65, if I can write properly. Alrighty, $23.65 on that bundle. So you can see why I love bundles. I make a lot of money on bundles. Then I got these fun floral pants. These came out of a liquidation box for $2. $10.20 is what I earned. So I'm at $8.20 for my in-pocket profit there. Then my next item is a Mad Love pair of clogs, slip-on clogs. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid. $4.25 is what I earned. So $2.25 are my in-pocket earnings. Then I've got, of course, another pair of these Silver Mules, which are awesome. $5.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid for them. And so $3.25 are my in-pocket profits for those. Then I've got, this is a JKY Slimming High Waist Brief. This came out of a liquidation box where I got a ton of clothing. And so this actually was only $1 out of a liquidation box. $3.25 is what I earned. So $2.25 are my in-pocket profits for that set. Then I've got a really cute slimming padded tankini top. This came from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $1.25 is what I earned. So 75 cents is my in-pocket profit for that. Then I have, I've sold a lot of these patriotic curved black on black baseball hats. This is actually my last one that I have in stock. I'm going to try to get some more for my wholesaler, but $4 is what I paid for these for my wholesaler. $12 is what I earned. And so $12 minus $4 is $8. And then I've got this bra came out of a wholesale liquidation pallet. So that one cost me $2 out of that particular pallet. $10.20 is what I earned. So $8.20. So that's my last item for these two sales worth on Poshmark. And so I'm going to add up everything, see how many orders I actually have, and tell you the grand total. Okay, so I have added everything up and it came up to $120.70. Not too shabby for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. And that's after I took all my fees off, all my shipping, and all of my cost of purchase for a total of 17 orders. So I'm going to package these up, get them off to my customers. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can sell on 2 days worth of sales from Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.